Today's project, this beautiful clock that I've had in my dining area for years, it's never worked. And today, my wife just happened to be talking about it with someone, and I said, oh my God, why don't I take a look at it? So it's got a fresh at the time battery in it, and I just never had the motivation to take a look any further. So battery is in and no talkie. This is a Sears Roebuck & Company model number 47386, made in the USA. That's the only real markings on here. So let's see if I can get this opened up and see what's going on. I'd like to just detach it first, so I'm going to see if I can find some directions. Sorry about the glare, but this thing is shiny. I think the best place is to start here. I've already loosened this with some needle nose pliers. I'm going to take it off and try to maintain some sort of order up here. Of course, I've always got this video for reference. Yeah, I'm hoping they just slide off, but I'm going to have to gently pry this up somehow. Let's see if I've got a decent tool to do this with. Until these hands have already been bent at some point. Is that clean, or did I break it? It does look like there's a little gap in there. Don't know if that was me or not. Just really trying not to mark the surface here. I mean, as nice as this clock face is, how hard could it be just to replace this motor if it comes down to it? I'm just going to flip it over, see if that washer will fall off. There we go. And what's next? I'm just kind of wiggling. I haven't really done much else, just giving it a wiggle. I can feel it's coming free. Got my hands on the back now, just doing the same thing. It feels like it's coming. There we go. Alright, let's get this face out of here. And there we have the part. Any markings on it? ATOLIC. I've got a patent number. I can actually get a good look of the battery leads now. Let's see if I can crack it open, just see if it's getting voltage over here before I start messing around with the clock mechanism. Let me put this aside and get some tools out. Alright, just have my little travel multimeter here. Let's just make sure that this battery has some life in it. Okay, we've got voltage, that's great. Looks like this is just a cover that will come off. Let's find out. Okay, it's more than just the cover, it's kind of the whole thing. And it feels, I don't know, it felt gunky. Alright. Well, now I have access to these leads. That's what I was looking for. Let's see what happens when I put this in. Well, no motion once again, so it's still not working. And I have good voltage right over to here. What's next? I like that sound. I'm just kind of moving the teeth, see if I can, how much movement I can get out of it. Anything broken in here? I don't want to put anything hard in here because I'm worried it will break the mechanism. Let me see what I can find on this piece here. What's that do? Is that spring tension? Alright, put it kind of back where it was. Oh, okay, pull it out. Hey, what just happened? Well, it seems to be working now. I think it was stuck. As soon as I pulled this out, it released and started working. But I just happened, it's total coincidence, had nothing to do with this project. Oh, it stopped again. And this guy's just came out. It is really difficult to turn. I'm guessing it's super gunked up. Anyway, like I was saying, I swear this is a coincidence. I just got this all synthetic clock oil for a completely different project. My foot clock is why I ordered this initially. I thought it might need lubrication, but it ended up working great after some adjustments. So let me see if there's some things that I should be lubing up in there. It worked for about 10 minutes before it just stopped working again. So we're going to just replace the motor. Hopefully I ordered the right size, because there were 3 or 4 different sizes to choose from. And I just picked the one that sounded right, based solely on what I remembered versus what was actually happening. Oh boy. Let's see. How did I do? Here's the kit I received. It should have 2 motors in it and a bunch of different hands. Be cool to reuse I'm going to try to reuse the ones that were originally there, because why not? But if there's some that are identical, I may choose those instead. It's very possible that the new ones will not fit at all anyway. So for reference, here are the old ones. Very dissimilar potential. These actually look pretty similar. Similar style, definitely not exact. Square, little intricate, fancy ones, and teardrop. And then 2 sets of hardware and 2 clock motors and hangers. And I think I can skip the hangers because I've got one still built into the other one. I'm gonna look at all these. Let's open up the one that I would be likely to use if I could not use the original, and that's probably this one. But they all come with a second hand as well. Alright, let's compare these to the originals. Well, they're certainly longer. Yeah, so I don't think I can do just a direct replacement because the gear, or the diameter of these holes is bigger. So I'm gonna start with these. We'll see how they look, and take it from there. Certainly, the shaft is much longer. We'll see how much that actually affects it. I wish I'd taken a measurement, but I'm lazy like that. So let's see how this fits. If this fits. Yeah, it does fit. Let's see if I can get this hardware open with one hand.